In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video and edit captions in Submagic. If you want fast, accurate captions with minimal fuss, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish and help you avoid common pitfalls along the way. First, open submagic.co in your browser. On the homepage, look for the Sign In button and click it. You can log in with Google or with your email. Choose the option you prefer and follow the on-screen prompts securely. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. Now find the Upload Video button within the Clip Videos area and click it. A file picker will open so you can select your video from your device. Choose the final cut you plan to use, ideally a file with clear audio because crisp sound results in more accurate captions. After selecting the file, give the upload time to complete. Keep the tab open and avoid switching networks. Longer videos may take a bit, and that's normal. When the upload finishes, click Edit Captions. You'll be asked to choose your language. Pick the primary spoken language in your video so the system can transcribe accurately. If your content includes regional accents, select the closest match to help the engine interpret speech correctly. Next, click Edit Captions beside Choose Style. This opens the text editor for your captions. Here, type your new text or fine-tune the existing lines. As you make changes, the platform automatically saves your edits, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. Focus on clarity, add punctuation to reflect natural pauses, correct brand names and numbers, and ensure names are spelled consistently. Keep lines short for readability, and make sure each caption matches what's being said on screen. When you're happy with the wording, click Preview to see the captions on your video. Watch a few sections, beginning, middle, and end, to confirm timing and accuracy. If anything looks off, pause the preview, make quick adjustments, and preview again until everything feels smooth and easy to read. Once everything looks right, click Export. Submagic will process your project and prepare the final output with your captions applied. That's it, your video is now captioned, polished, and ready to share wherever you publish your content. By following these steps, open submagic.co, sign in, upload your video, edit captions, choose your language, refine the text, preview, and export, you'll create professional captions that improve accessibility and viewer engagement with minimal effort. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly captioned video.